Can you believe, Hobby Lobby? We have Christmas. I do love this flock tree. It is $419, so $420. It is a 3-year warranty. I love flock trees so much. And they're already on 40% off. This one right here is $456. We're just gonna round that. I kind of feel like they should be playing Christmas music. We go from Halloween. I feel like we're skipping fall. 420 right here was 700.
Maybe we should just put some light underlying Christmas music on this so they can.
And then the tall one is 719. I love it. And we have like your mini flocks and mini trees. These are $42. Don't forget your Grinch tree, which is $191. The Grinch. And the small one's $140.
It's called a whimsical tree.
Oh, they can't call it the Grinch.
Yeah.
Funny. Like the ones with the pine cones though. These are really pretty. These are $160. Like this big grape by the front door too. Now this one is only $78. It doesn't say if it's indoor or outdoor, but this is like front. I love it. Or even the corner when you walk in. I feel like we need a tree. Yeah.
Well, right in our walkway.
In the corner,
Yeah.
where that little table is, to get that out of the way.
Entryway.
Yeah.
Entryway.
I like that. I love the trees. And this one is gonna turn for you. It is $341.
I love the little lights. These little lights.
I'm gonna scoot down here. Here's all my favorite ones. And this one's $269. I love it.
It's just a nice fat flock tree. It's like really nice. I wish it was taller, but it's
Yeah.
like how full it is.
And if you want the minis, they do have them as well. This one's $140. So these are 40% off on the ornaments. It's just for a few. Dog one. There's a cat one too down here. I'm waiting for they put out like more of the Western. I feel like we're missing some ornaments. I like how the stockings are on here. That's really cute.
We have some of these.
Yeah, but these are girls.
Yeah. We'll get the
I'm waiting for like the cowboy Santa and stuff like that.
shotgun shells.
Funny. Here's a wad of money.
Nah.
Merry Christmas.
I like this one.
Believe, yeah. And the macaroni and cheese, these are funny too.
These are so cool. It's just a miniature of the real one. It's so neat.
$5.99. These are $10, and again, 40% off. This one's really pretty. I think you get 2 for $7. It does light up. This one looks like you put a ring in here or something. I don't know. It opens, but they're $11.99. At the pig. It's kind of funny, actually.
Yeah.
These, look at that. I just noticed the balloons. These are $8. These are wild.
Little Pennywise balloon.
And they come in multiple colors. They're $8. Again, 40% off. Microphone. The food, which are $5.99. Here's like the milkshake.
Oh, you know, those actually look like something I want to eat. That milkshake looks good.
It does look good. We got hoodies. That's so funny. Okay. Here's the ice cream cones. They're $15. Little sprinkle ones. $14. $12.99, 13. They're like sugar cookies. They're pretty heavy. You have the gum drops. They are $9 here. Cupcakes. Don't forget your cupcakes. They're $12.99. And your popsicles, which are $11.99. I don't think I've seen these. These might be new.
That's really neat.
We have the large donut.
That's like a Homer donut. It's huge.
You get 4 in here.
Let me see how much there.
I like these colorful candy canes.
For these.
$18. Okay. The snowflakes. The gingerbread. You only get 2 though for $12.
8 for the snowflakes.
2 for $12. And then look at all this fun stuff. These are $8. The more like picks for like a treat tree. They have different colors. Little macaroons. These are $4 and 40% off. So I am actually really shocked that they're 40% off. These are really cute. Look at the marshmallow ones.
Those are neat.
These are adorable.
I would love to make those for
They're $4.
treats, like at a cocoa bar. You know, like
Yeah.
cocoa bar.
Yeah, you're so creative. A cocoa bar.
Hey man, it's
$3.99.
Christmas. I'll go all in. I don't care. I want everybody to have fun. I want the kids to be like, "Whoa, this is the best Christmas ever." Some
$12.99
core memories, you know.
and $18.99. These are cool. I've always liked the food and like the gummy stuff.
When we have grandkids, they'll be spoiled.
Okay, you're the one to do that, yeah. And all these little trees here. These are $7. And the garland. Oh, look at that large cone. $30 here. $19. And a big twist. These are perfect for like the front yard, but they will get stolen.
I don't know how long they last.
I know.
In the weather too. 'Cause
$18.
It's really windy around Christmas sometimes.
The peppermint.
And it likes to rain. I don't know why. I like her.
Look at this wreath. Really interesting. $70. Like a real
It looks
natural.
real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one's $55. My pan out. $80 for that one.
My gosh, like their whole store is Christmas. There's just so much going on in there.
For a village, $5 right here. $51. Wow, I don't remember this being like $51. It is 40% off, but that's kind of crazy.
I want this to like line the back of the village, so there's a forest line. That would be so perfect to use as your backdrop.
And then $13.99 on top for little trees.
Those are cool.
And then $20. I feel like for that size, it's kind of pricey. Okay, I am seeing a price difference. It's crazy. 25. Wow, that's 25.
Let's see what we're missing.
That's crazy. So it's like $15, but 25 for that.
Mm-hmm.
That little map.
That's the empty shelf over there. This is going to be in there. And then
More deer.
more deer will be in here. And then here's a little.
More wooden trees. Plenty of wooden trees here. These are $7. Like 4 or something. Then you have like the medium one. Okay. I like these fat ones though. They're cute. I feel like on these ones you could definitely write like your last name or you know something like a gift. Like the wood burning.
Yeah. The wood one.
Yeah. And then this one here is $7. And then $10.99. $10.99 here. And the ones, these are going to be $30 on top. They don't all come together, just letting you know that. Okay, we got gold in here. It's almost like the same decor that they have like all the time. They say joy, peace, and Noel. These are kind of
These are
cool.
pretty, the
These are
bells.
pretty, yeah. Oh, you get quite a bit. They're $11.99. I like that. I was only thinking you get 3.
I know. I think this would be a cute gift if you have like little kids, and you leave a bell in their stocking, like one of, but you could like dress it up a little more.
Yeah.
Like one of Santa's bells or something, or you could leave it hidden around the house.
Santa's bells. Here's little tiny trees. These are $5.99. I don't remember something small like this. $3.99, I think. Even when they do like the vintage Valentine figures, or I don't know. I mean, it is on discount, so it is $3.59. Okay, yeah, with the discount.
That's pretty with the different color glitter mixed into it, so it's not just gold.
$13.99 is like a tree topper. They do have your garland. There's silver. This is silver right here, is it?
Yeah, silver.
It looks gold. I don't know.
I think it's because you're in the
Rose
photos.
gold, maybe? No, this is rose gold. Here's Santa. Hello, Santa baby. How much is Santa? He is $47. Yeah, I don't remember paying that much.
Which means he's like 20.
Yeah.
He's under 30. He's like maybe 27 bucks, 28 bucks.
Okay, we got Santa. You know they always have this one.
He's going in
The
like a
North Pole
go-kart.
Baking. Yep. He's $43. And then you have the Nutcracker with his cocoa. Letters to Santa one. That one's cute. I think it's nice down here. I love how they're large. Michael's used to have them, and when they have a good sale on it, 160. But I haven't seen a really good sale on their lanterns. Here's another like
96 bucks right now.
table piece. They put 3 candles in here, $28.99, and they have a snowman. $35 for like the little ones. Okay, let's do light up. Those are $25. And this whole area is trees. Look at all the trees here. Okay, we have the countdown. This one does turn. That's kind of cool.
Lights up. I don't know.
It does light up. Nah, I don't know how much that is, but some of the Grinch stuff is out. So they know how the Grinch stole Christmas. And then like the little one, the large one, and these again are all 40% off. $13.99 up here. I don't see anything like new. Let me see that one.
Yeah. Holy
No.
cow.
Wow, $90. But 40%. That is crazy though. I can't. Alright, you guys. That is gonna do it for Hobby Lobby. These green glitter ones are $22. And we have more of this garland, you know? The whimsical one. Please stay safe out there. And are we ready? $10.99. Are we ready? Are we just skipping fall? Are we ready? Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.